Assalomu alaykum, dear ingliz tili va arab tili oddidan murakkabgacha group members. We continue to learn the Uzbek language. We shall learn in the first lesson how to have a chat with another person. In our first lesson is called Greetings, Tanisho. Greetings, Tanisho. In the first lesson, we shall learn necessary collocations which are used for greetings. In our people who live in Uzbekistan, when they meet another person, they always say Assalamu alaikum. In English, peace be upon you. And replying person says Walaikum salam, and peace be upon you in English. If you want to tell about your name, to put it simply, my name is Anwar or my name is Alexander, and so on. In the Uzbek language, we say Ismim Anwar or Ismim Alexander, Ismim Shahrukh, you shall say. And you want to ask about other people's name, you shall say, what's your name in English or in Uzbek? Sizning ismingiz nima? Sizning ismingiz nima? And replying person says, Ismim Jasur. Ismim Jasur or Ismim Anwar. If you want to tell how you are in Uzbek, ahvollaringiz qanday? Ahvollaringiz qanday? And another person says, Alhamdulillah, yaxshi, rahmat. Thanks for Allah, I am fine. And how are you? We shall say in English. And in Uzbek we shall say o'zingiz yaxshimisiz. In English, and how are you? And how are you? O'zingiz yaxshimisiz. Another person say Alhamdulillah, yaxshiman. Thanks for Allah, I am fine. Now we shall learn the necessary collocations in this dialogue. To put it simply, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Wa alaikum salam, and peace be upon you. Ismim Anwar, my name is Anwar. Sizning ismingiz nima? What's your name? What's your name? Sizning ismingiz nima? Ismim Jasur, my name is Jasur. Ismim Jasur, my name is Jasur. Ahvollaringiz qanday? How are you in English? How are you? Ahvollaringiz qanday? Alhamdulillah, yaxshi, rahmat. Thanks for Allah, I am fine. O'zingiz yaxshimisiz? And how are you? O'zingiz yaxshimisiz? And how are you? Alhamdulillah, yaxshiman. Thanks for Allah, I am fine. Now we shall learn the new words in this lesson. The first word or collocation, Assalamu alaikum. In English, peace be upon you. Wa alaikum salam, and peace be upon you. Ismim, my name is. Ismim, my name is. You can tell your name with this collocation. To put it simply, ismim Shohrukh, ismim Anvar, ismim Jasur, and so on. Ahvollaringiz qanday? How are you? Ahvollaringiz qanday? How are you? Ismingiz nima? What's your name? Ismingiz nima? What's your name? Or you can tell sizning ismingiz nima in Uzbek. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for Allah. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for Allah. Yaxshi. Good or well. Or fine in English. Yaxshi. Rahmat. Thanks. Rahmat. Thanks. Yaxshiman. I'm fine. Yaxshiman. I'm fine. O'zingiz yaxshimisiz? How are you? Or and how are you? O'zingiz yaxshimisiz? Doing thus in our first lesson is finished. If you like this video lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you. Thank you for your attention.